Hey guys, 𝐤𝐤𝐤 from 𝐻𝐼nfluence here, and in this video I'm gonna talk about a grooming tool called Manscaped. So for those actually who don't know what Manscaped is, it's a grooming tool for, down below. So apparently a lot of guys struggle with cutting themselves down below, and therefore Manscaped came in to save your balls. So I'm actually curious to see what this product offers, and therefore let's unbox this. Alright, let's cut it here. Alright then, so this is the initial reaction. Not too bad. So it actually says, your balls will thank you. And then it comes in with, the modern man is a man who takes care of himself. Manscaping isn't just for life special occasions. It is a requirement for optimal health, superior hygiene, and healthy self-esteem. Now you have the right tools for a safe and precise grooming in the hard to navigate sensitive grown area. Plus post-trimming products to keep your balls dry and fresh all day long. Make manscaping a habit. Alright, fair enough. They're actually trying to make a movement out of this at the same time as well. So the initial thing that you get out of the box is this, with additional products you might like on the other side. Well, let me actually change the angle so it's easier for you guys to look at it. So alright, as you can see here, it says your balls will thank you. And these are all the products that you will get out of it. To be honest, it's a very nice package. So the first product that you will get out of it is a crop cleanser. It is a invigorating hair and body wash. We'll definitely try this one out as well. And then after that, the next product is wait, what is this? Oh, this is to cut your nails. That looks nice. Wait, I'll unbox it in a bit. After that we get, let's open it. It's a bit hard to open with only one hand, but so oh, these are all the clippers. Wait, so that's the first one. There we go. Alright. Okay, so this is the charger, I suppose. And this, yeah, I mean, this is the American one, isn't it? Fair enough. Yeah, this is the clipper. And here's another clipper as well. After that, you obviously got the grooming tool itself. There we go. Looks pretty nice to me. Alright. What's this? So some instructions, nothing too special. Alright, so let's check this out. So this is the reviver. It's called the ball toner. Wait, let me focus a bit better. There we go. And so the directions is, for an anytime pick me up, spritz your goods once or twice, let air dry. Alright, so this is just literally for your balls. That's nice. So they actually do provide a ton of tools to actually make sure your grooming game is on point. After this, you got the crop preserver. It's an anti-chafing or anti-chafing, I don't know how to pronounce it, ball deodorant. So another ball deodorant. Alright, so this is the anti-chafing ball deodorant. So they say people always put deodorant on their armpits but never for their balls. Well, those tend to be more sticky. I mean, I do agree with it, so I'll definitely try this one out as well. Alright, so I know you get a few more goodies. So the first one is a Manscaped Boxer brief. So that's what literally everyone will get as well. And that's pretty nice, isn't it? So you get free boxer briefs if you click the link in the description. And then alright, I'll open this in a bit. So this is a newspaper. Alright, so this is the last thing that you get, and that's a shed bag, and I think the worth is £39. But if you're someone that's gonna buy with the link in the description, apparently you get it for free. So that looks nice. Okay, is there anything else? So on the bottom here, it says that Manscaped is not the world's preeminent male grooming brand, but also the voice and movement for liberating men of all ages to be the very best they can be. Being mindful, socially aware, and respectful to one and all is the core to our mission. So is giving back. This is why we've partnered with the Testicle Cancer Society to raise awareness for the most common form of cancer in men aged between 15 to 35 and help save balls. Join us. Alright, so that's a very nice thing to do as well, because they are helping the community at the same time. So wait, let me reposition the camera. Okay. Alright, so I'm back now. You've seen the unboxing. Let me open the things that you couldn't see on camera. So the first thing that I want to open is a Manscaped the Shears item. And I think these are nail clippers. Let me open it. There we go. Oh, that looks nice though. Here, have a look. So this is the first item you get out of it. Let me put it here. There we go. That's the second one. This is the third one. This apparently, I suppose, if you want to do your eyebrows. This is the fourth one. I'm not too sure what it is, but apparently it's for some kind of grooming. And this is the fifth one. So it's a little scissor. I mean, like, it's a nice thing to have, because you never know when you need it. Let's put all of it back. So I'm not sure about you guys, but this is a nice product to have if you actually want to travel, and it's a nice, cool, handy kit to use. And you can use it alongside with the travel bag that they provide, because if you're on the way or going somewhere, you can pretty much use it. But let's see if there's something in the travel bag itself. Nothing too special. You got one little zip in here as well. I'm not sure if you can see it. Wait, let me change the angle. Yeah, there we go. And that's where you can put something in as well. So this is a nice little bag to have. Alright, so the next item I want to talk about is the newspaper. So the newspaper says, "We save balls." And it's just a nice little newspaper just to show their brand and their identity, I suppose. Alright, so the next items are the boxer briefs. So on the website it says, when you purchase the Perfect Package Kit for a limited time, you're not only gonna get one free item, but actually two. So the first one is the Shed travel bag. The value is $39. So that's a nice little travel bag to have. And the second one are the boxer briefs. And those are priceless. So when I was doing the research, apparently a lot of guys were asking, can you use the Perfect Lawnmower 2.0 for your balls? And the answer is actually yes. But obviously be careful, because you don't instantly want to go in and cut everything off. And the other question was, how often should you shave your balls? Well, it says that you should probably do it once or twice a week. So that should be a clear answer for you. So in the next shot, you can actually see me use the lawnmower. Alright guys, as you guys saw in the video, I just came back from using the lawnmower and it's a pretty nice product. But moreover, the thing that I liked about Manscaped is the movement that they're creating, and at the same time the additional products that they provided. For example, the crop cleanser hair and body wash is pretty nice to actually use for your body. It leaves it quite softly. Another product that they provided is the crop reviver. I haven't actually used it, it's still in the package. But the meaning of this is that you can pretty much use it anywhere, and if you actually feel like you're getting a bit sweaty down there, you can just spray it down there just to revive it. It's a quite nice savior in those situations, you know, when you actually need it. Another product that you get with it is the ball deodorant, and it does smell pretty nice. And I do like the thought of actually having a deodorant for your private area as well, rather than just having it for the upper body, you know, like the armpits. Another good thing about this is that it's actually waterproof, so therefore you can just use it while showering and you don't have to worry that you actually damage it. So obviously I've only used it once, therefore I don't know what the duration time is and whether it will decline over time. But so far it seems pretty nice. Because let's be honest, now is the best time ever to start taking care of your hygiene, because all we do is pretty much stay at home and we're doing nothing, which can actually decline our hygiene. And moreover, a lot of people use the same grooming tool for the facial hair as well as down below, and that's pretty nasty. So therefore, if you have a separate tool for it, it's pretty nice to have it. So Manscaped was actually nice enough to provide me with a 20% discount code. So actually don't get paid if you use it, but it's just a nice thing for you guys if you actually want to try it out for yourself. So if you're someone that wants to try this out, use my discount code 𝐦𝐿𝐷20, and at the same time you also get 2 free gifts, and it's a total value of I think $250. A lot of you guys might be asking, is Manscaped worth it? Well, in my opinion, it kind of is, because it does provide you with a lot of great goodies. Obviously, my favorite one got to be this one because it's very convenient, small, and you can use it everywhere. Moreover, if you didn't know, I like to travel, even though we currently can't, but in the future I will definitely use this goodie bag because that will just help me out get all my stuff with me. So if you actually enjoyed the truth about Manscaped, definitely smash the like button, and also consider to hit the subscribe button to help your brother out. So if you're actually thinking about using the product, definitely use my discount code, and I probably have to go back to mowing the lawns because I didn't finish it. But that's it for me. I'll see you on the other side.